Okay, so our question today is, do we like the rain better, it's this side, or the sun better? Who wants to start? Okay, Wyatt, what do you think?
I like the sun better because I get to wear short pants and go to the beach.
And go to the beach. What do you guys think over here, rainy day people? What do you think, Charlie?
I think the rain is better because I like to be cold and wear long pants.
So you like to wear long pants all the time? Yeah? Short sun people, do you guys like to wear pants?
No.
Not so much. What do you think, Christopher?
Because I like it because we get to go to the beach.
Oh, do you like the beach? What do you like to do at the beach?
I just make sandcastles.
Make sandcastles. AJ, what do you think?
I like the sun because I get to go to fun places. In Disneyland because my dad takes me to fun places.
Could you go to Disneyland in the rain?
No.
You can't go in the rain. Could you go in the rain, but it would just be wet? But you like it in the sun better. Rainy day people, could you go to Disneyland in the rain? Yeah? What do you think, Mary?
I like the rain because I like to jump in puddles.
You like to? Do you have good boots for that? Yeah, and you get wet.
Well, I don't have rain boots, but my mom will buy me some if I ask her.
Oh, that's nice. All right, Isabella, what do you think?
I like the beach because it has a lot of stuff to do, like a lot of sand, and I get to go in the water.
So you like to build sandcastles like Christopher does, and go in the water. Brooklyn, do you like the sun?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's warm.
It's warm. It is warmer, right? You don't have to wear so many layers of clothes, right?
Sometimes it gets
All right, Eva, what do you think?
I like the coldness because you get to jump in muddy puddles and it rains. After it rains, you can always also have fun. Go outside.
You could go outside. Who likes to jump in muddy puddles?
Look for puddles. And you can go to the park and look for puddles.
You could go to the park and look for muddy puddles. That is very true. Could you go to the park in the sun also? You could, and in the rain also. But in the rain, could you go on the slides and stuff?
No.
No, probably not, right? Edward, what do you think?
I would too.
What do you think, Edward?
Why at the rain? Because I like to wear my jacket.
You like your jacket? Could you wear it in the sun?
No.
You could, but you'd be really hot, right? Yeah, exactly. Anthony, what do you think? You didn't go yet.
I think the sun's better because I get to go to the beach and it's sunny.
And it's sunnier? You like the sun, huh? Okay, Zachary, what do you think?
I think I like the sun better because then I could go to the beach and have lots of fun and play with and make a sandcastle and put some water around it like in a circle.
Yeah, like a castle, like a river. Abraham,
And
why do you like the sun?
because I get to play at the beach.
Do you guys all go to the beach?
We got
You do?
I barely got
Yeah? Jaden, do you get to go to the beach?
I went to the dinosaur.
You went to the dinosaur place, yeah. All right, Jonathan, can you finish it off for us? Why do you think the rain's better?
It's because it's good for watering the plants.
Oh.
Because some of them, like some people, they can't reach the trees, so like the trees need to grow. So the water, it rains down so the trees could
The
grow.
trees need to grow, right? Ibrahim, do you like the rain?